Good morning. It is time to open the store and at least get it semi-ready until I unlock the doors. And I already started with a few things, like this is my happy place neon sign. I absolutely love that because this is my happy place. So yeah, I just thought I would say hi to everybody today. Hi, I'm Carrie from Chic and Unique Boutique. We are located at, hold on, I'm trying to show you that. There you go, Chic and Unique. We are located at 112 East Chestnut Street, Burlington, Wisconsin. And today is Wednesday, the 11th, 11th already of March. What? Isn't that crazy? Yeah, this is my little store walkthrough that I do. I have a whole routine, and holding you with me is throwing me off. I'm not gonna lie, it's throwing me off. I always check to see if Joan is where she should be. Y'all know who Joan Dirt is, right? She's my Roomba. Let's see if she's here. She is. She's right where she should be. I do wait until it is 10 o'clock to put on the open sign and plug in the lights here. So what are y'all doing today with this rainy weather that we have? Are you cleaning out your closets? Are you, there, we got our lights on for our cameras, or our cameras, for our cabinets. So those are good to go. Are you all cleaning out your closets? Are you ready for the sale this week? Starts tomorrow. Tomorrow is when we're doing our semi-annual clearance sale. It's a big one. It's a big one. And I'm going to turn on those lights way back there yonder in my luxury cases. There they go. They're on. We're good to go. Yes, clear out your closets. Make room because, one, you need to consign your items with us. We are ready for spring and summer. We want them. We want them now. We do first come, first serve basis. And if we are full for the day, we won't take your items that day. We'll still separate them and say, yes, bring these back another day when we can process them for you within 24 hours and get them on the floor. That's what we do. We love to have new stuff all the time. And we have about 1,500 new items that we put out every week, which means we've got lots of goodies to put out still. However, this week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is our semi-annual clearance sale. It's the big one. We only do it 2 times a year. Thursday, we're doing 30% off consignment everything. Consignment everything. And we do have some signs that we'll put up to let you know what is not included in that. That's Thursday, 30% off, open 10 to 5. Friday, it jumps up to 60% off, 60% off. Friday. And that's consignment clothing, shoes, handbags, wallets, belts, you name it, it's on sale. Again, we'll have a sign showing you exactly what tags to look for and what to stay away from if you don't want to do the sale. And you can still shop regular items too, of course. And then Saturday is the big one, the big discount. It is 80% off, 80% off whatever's left. So this is how you got to plan your day. So are you going to get best pick by coming in tomorrow on Thursday? Or are you going to wait it out and hope your items are there on Saturday and get the biggest sale discount? I mean, you can come all 3 days. I don't care. Bring your girlfriends, bring your friends, bring your sisters, bring your daughters, bring your cousins, bring your nieces, bring your neighbors. I don't care. Bring them and bring tote bags too, because you're going to find a lot, a lot. Let's switch this around. And you can see we've got dresses galore. Dresses galore. Sorry, I'm kicking the stand. There we go. Dresses galore, small through plus. We've got tops. Look at all these tops. We've got jeans and pants. We've got athletic wear. All these goods, ladies. All of them. All of them. If it's got a green tag, it's on sale. If it's got a blue tag, no. Not the blue tags. Those are not on sale. So blue tags are regular price. Green tags are the ones that are going to be discounted. Also, the other thing that is not included is, of course, our pink tag boutique items. Those are not included. So if it's a pink tag or a blue tag, no, those are not on sale. Those are regular price. Judy Blues, they're pink tag. So that means not on sale. No. All right, I'm ready. Come on in today. Get a little sneak peek of what you can pick out tomorrow if you want first dibs on the best items. And you can always come in and wait and hope. Pray to the consignment gods that the items you're looking for will still be here on Saturday. 80% off Saturday, 60% off Friday, 30% off tomorrow. All right, I'm Carrie. I'll see you sometime this week. If it's not every day, I'll be shocked because people look forward to this one. So tell your neighbors, tell your friends, grab that little postcard that I gave to you if you were in the store anytime in the past month. We had these up on the counter, and I have a little thing in the corner saying, hang me on your fridge, so you don't forget about the sale that starts tomorrow. I'm so excited. Have a great day, everybody. Ignore the fact that it's rainy. Ugh, ugh. It is what it is. We'll see you later. Have a good one. Mwah. Bye.